Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I want to talk about something that is kind of an issue that I get a lot of hate responses for on some of my YouTube videos that I've made in the past, and it's basically this. Don't get scammed by a salesman. Whenever you're shopping for windows, you always want to start off by saying something like this. Whenever you're calling your window, dealers to come out and give you a bid, you want to say, hey, listen, I want to get several window quotes, but can you go ahead and schedule me for somebody to come out and give me an estimate? Out of the gate, let them know that you're window shopping. Literally. Whoever is taking that call is probably going to filter that and say, listen,
Mrs. Jones just called and she said she's getting multiple quotes. Let's try to get in there for the lowest possible price and see if we can't get them to just pressure close.
Anybody who's watched my videos or has seen my content knows that I am anti-pressure. I'm not a hardcore closer, and neither is any of my sales guys. I mean, they all really do want to go in, and we're educators first. Going into a house, making sure that you understand what it is, getting all of your questions answered for you. We go in and say, this is the price, and a lot of times the customer will say, well, hey, this other guy came in and he's about $400 cheaper. Can you match him? No, we will not. Because we have a value marker. We want to make sure, and we will explain to the customer, listen, not all windows are created equal. We got to make sure that you know that we're coming in with a great product. This is what we're giving you. There's that issue. The other is, well, I know how much it costs for caulking. I know how much it costs for foam. I know how much it costs for trimming, all these different things. And oh, by the way, man hours and everything it takes to keep this business going. And we don't want to rob anybody, but we do want to make sure that our bills are paid and that the employees are paid and that in the end we do make a little bit of money because, well, nobody starts a business so they can just break even constantly. That makes no sense at all, right? Because they're going to try to close you.
We can give you some discounts here. I'll call my manager. I'll do whatever I have to do. Let's get you some discounts.
They're usually never going to go as low as they can go, but they're still above the value marker, right? They're still up above that, and they're really trying to close you by simply pulling at your heart like, okay, your FOMO of, man, I'm getting all these discounts, and they say that, well, this is only gonna be good for today, so if I sign, you will get these discounts, but if I walk out that door, the discounts go with me out the door, and it's like, oh man, well, we don't do business that way. And a lot of people don't do business this way, right? But I'm talking about those who really do come in and they wanna just pressure you. I know I'm gonna get hate responses, and I welcome them. And because everybody does business differently. But I am a firm believer in an educated approach to things. Get some trust going, because that's what it's all about, is you've got to build trust with people and let them know that you're not out to, rob them. You want them to get taken care of, and we do not haggle on price. This is a fair price. Honor everything we say we're going to do. I hope I don't rub anybody the wrong way, but that's natural for people who are educators per se. If you have any questions, you always reach out. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.